fast. Yeah, I wish time would take a little